Parents mostly observe in few child, parents complained that my child will snore during sleeping or my child will open the mouth while sleeping. This is little bit important thing. Humans will breathe through their nose. In those persons, head will be round in shape, jaws also correct position, and teeth will also in correct manner. When the child is open mouth during sleeping, what happened? The round face will convert into long and narrow, and the jaws, upper jaw and lower jaw will become constrict. As a result, the teeth will overlap or crowded. In such instances, please visit your pediatric dentist immediately.